Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Sunday Wileke. Welcome to my channel. If you are a new member, I want you to subscribe to my channel because every time I drop a content that will help you in your forest journey, you are going to be the first to be notified. So you are welcome to GBL Academy. Yes, today I wanted to explain to show you. I will be explaining and show you what is trend in forex because this is one of the very crucial important thing you have to know as a forex trader. And I believe if you can watch this video to the end, you're going to learn what is trend, how to identify a trend in any market. I repeat, in any market, how you can be able to identify a trend in any market. You're going to see it, and as well as going to walk you through two or three example. I'm going to use gold and another currency pair. So in any chart, you can easily identify trend in this market. So now let's go to the intro and see what is happening. Okay, welcome back. Yes, I'm already on my screen, so I'm going to use MetaTrader 4. That is the platform I'm going to use for us to identify this trend. So there are some rules about trend. There are some rules about trends. There are just three type of trend from here to Innovacy. There are three type of trend: the uptrend, the downtrend, the uptrend, the downtrend, as well as the sideways trend. Sideways trend. So for this to be very blunt, let me use my WPS so that we can get to see what you are saying. My WPS, my WPS. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, go there and subscribe to my channel right now. So now okay, so let's open a document. Let's open a document. Okay, so new document, so that this what you are doing will be very okay. I think I have it here somehow. Okay, yes, trend. So if you are asked what is trend in forex market, a trend is the direction of market, direction of price. Yes, it's the direction of price. When you are asked what is trend, a trend is the direction of price. Are you getting my point? The direction of price, but for a very layman understanding, if you are the type that you are a music fans, there are some music that has been released past decade now, and yet to date you are still listen to it every year. If you are a Yoruba guy, you understand this music. Odunlosokun, every year, every December, it is a must they play this music. That is the trendy music. Okay, but there are some music that every month they used to trend. There are some music that if you once they release them 1 week, they don't know guys exist. That is what a trend is all about too in forex market. A trend is what happen in direction of market at a certain period of time. So if you are defining trend now as a direction of price at a particular at a particular sorry particular period of time, it could be 1 minute, it could be 1 minute, it could be 5 minutes, it could be 1 hour, it could be 1 day or 2 day, anyhow, it could be 1 day, it could be 1 week, it could be a month, even yearly, it could be yearly. Yeah, you get my point. So that is what uh trend is all about. A trend can trend in a year, it can trend in 1 month, it can trend in 1 week. You get my point. So that is trend. But now, let's say the type of trend we have three type of trend, like I said earlier, and one is uptrend. So I will firstly talk about uptrend. When you see the price of market moving upward, You get my point? When the price of market is moving upward in a very zigzag way upward, let me use insert here, moving upward. So I'm going to use a shape. Okay, if the price of market is moving upward, okay, if you get to your chart and you see that the price of market is moving upward like this, upward, that is uptrend. But there's a way of going. There's a way of going. So let's take another shape here again. If the price of market is moving like this, something like this, I'm coming. Okay, making higher high, making higher high, higher low. What I want you to see here is the direction of this market. This market is just going what? Going up. So if the price of market is going up like this, they just know that the price, the chart or the trend of the market is going what? Is going up. I'm going to show you through the channel here. So while you are doing that, let me just erase this. Let me erase this. So I'm going to use this one arrow to explain the second one. Okay. Yeah. So the price of market is going up like this direction. That is uptrend. You will see I'm going to use this arrow to identify it to you on the chart to uptrend. But if the price of market is going on a straight line, on a straight line, on a straight line like this, you see the price of market going on a straight line. That is sideways trend. But if you see the chart or the price of market on your chart that is going down like this, that is called downtrend, downtrend. That is downtrend. So I believe this content will give you more insight. So now let's go to the chart and identify this kind of trend on our chart. So let's go to the chart. So on our chart, this is my MT4. I'm going to use MT4 for a very clear understandable of this. So firstly, I'm going to use AUD USD. Let's use AUD USD. This is my chart. Okay, for us to see it, it's a chart. I'm using the demo account to explain this so that you don't get it twisted. Now, as you can see on my chart, this trend, I will start from higher time frame. That is 1 month. 1 month. Yes. Each candlestick is about 1 month. If you are yet to understand what is time frame, maybe in the probably next video, I'm going to see it, or check my videos. You see one of them in it. So you'll be able to see this very well because each candle represents 1 month. And you can see from right from sorry, that's not the day. That's not the day. Sorry guys, I'm just eradicating this. So let's say right from here. Yes, do you see? Right from here, from the top to this level, the price has been making the downtrend on a monthly time frame. So on a monthly, that means this price is still a downtrend. But if I say that this price has been in uptrend in past couple of months now, do you see the two candle, the bullish candle? That is a another trend on this because we are on monthly time frame. So now let's go back to weekly time frame now. Now this is weekly. Do you see the line I draw the other time? Yes, that is the monthly line. But now on the weekly, each candle represents 1 week. I have already explained that one in my videos. So if you see this candle now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle, you will see that the price at that period of time in the weekly time is an uptrend. But why the major trend in the monthly time frame was is downtrend. So you see, if I zoom out, if I zoom in, you see that the arrow I draw out clearly show the trend of the market. Do you understand? That is the trend in the market now for now. So let's now scale down to 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 one day, to one day, for you to see it very well. I mean, if I use the second arrow here now, the second arrow, you see it now. I just use the second arrow to show you that this price is still what is a downtrend. Do you see it? So for the couple of like a week now, the price has been what moving in the downtrend, and the moment he touched this line, the trend line below, it reverse. The same thing happened to here, is a reverse until you reach this certain level here, for it to reach another what another level. Let me zoom out too, so that you can see it clearly. Can you see it now? That is downtrend. So now you see the channel, very clean channel, very clean channel. So that is downtrend. The current of AUD now is what in downtrend. So if you go back to 1 hour now, one day rather, you see it. The price is making its best to touch that level, and once it touch the level, probably it's going to reverse. You can check, you can cross check back and see what is going on. So now that is downtrend. So let's check another pair. Let's check another pair. Okay, USD card. USD card on a weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, this has been uptrend in weekly time frame. Let's draw it out. Uptrend in weekly time frame. Uptrend. So do you see it? The trend line I use, they touch the hedge. They touch the hedge. So for like around December 2020, this price of the market has been what? Uptrend. Uptrend. Can you see it? Uptrend. Because the direction of the arrow goes what? Goes up. Goes up. So do you see it? No, let me now check another trend for uh for the sideways trend. Let me see if I can get it here. Let me check if I can get it somewhere around here. Okay, let me check this USD chef. The sideways trend, they don't usually be noticed, but I'm going to try my best to find it out for you. Okay, so let's take a look at this on one day. On one day, okay, I'm going to use this one as an example. I'm going to use this as an example. Okay, so my trend line. So if you check here, where is it? If you check here, you see the price of market goes to this level. We use another one. Goes to this level and make a range at least two, three, two or three, two or three lines has been touched that place. That is called uh sideways, because the price of market at that moment is moving in what in one direction, in straight direction. You see it in straight direction. You see it now on the straight line. Unlike this one that the price of market move downward like this. Unlike it that the price of market here move from here to here. That is another trend. Like I said, like I told you, use it now. If you check here too, if you check here too, is another trend on its own. It's another trend on its own. It's another trend. And if I even check here too, This is another trend. So trend in market are what are easily to identify. It is just you that you are going to take your time to identify them. If you can see, this is another trend too. This is another trend too. This is another trend. Do you see it now? Do you see it? Usually I'm identifying the trade. Identifying them easily on my chart. So this is a very clear trend. It's a trend, as you can see on my chart. This is another trend. This is another trend. This uptrend. Market is making it very easy. So there's a criteria for you to know the uptrend, and you can see that the market is making higher high, higher high here, higher high here, higher high here, higher low. Let me just draw it out for you to see. The market still make another new higher high here. See it? It's clearly in terms of what? Yes, ma'am. As you can see, higher low. And what do you expect again? What do you expect again? Is higher high. Now, here, the market make very big reversal, then continuation. Do you see it now? This kind of pattern that we trade in forex market. So I hope you guys love these videos. And if you love these videos, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification, and give me the like button. In the next video, I'm going to show what I'm going to see what you want me to explain and how we can get that done. See you next, guys.